a digital first world, and that's exactly what we're going to do right here. Okay, I get it. You're tired of all the hype about artificial intelligence. AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity. That's the world. Everyone's got to become a PhD in artificial intelligence. Really? No, that's not it at all. We cannot all become PhDs in Python or programming artificial intelligence. In fact, there's probably not going to be a need to have millions and millions of people doing that. But here's where there is a need. In your industry, in your field, I don't care if you are an artist, I don't care if you're a painter, I don't care if you're a lawyer or an engineer, people are already using artificial intelligence to do what they do better, faster, more creatively, more efficiently. If you want to stay relevant and protect your career future, it is essential that you be on the cutting edge, not of all AI research, but on the cutting edge of how artificial intelligence is actually being used by people in your industry, in your field. You don't want to be caught flat-footed. You want to be using what the most advanced people in your industry are doing economically. You want to be testing, experimenting, putting into action how people are using artificial intelligence, because it's affecting absolutely everything. So no, this is not a course where I tell you drop what you're doing and go take a 5-year course on getting a PhD in artificial intelligence. But you do need to spend